doing that. Stop bleeping me. I'm entitled to 10 F-bombs per episode. Read my contract. Theme parks. All of us Chuckies have to work together if we want to reach our full margarine capacity. I took over this morning and present all of their calls. Okay, let's check the running kill count. That's classic. I gotta confess, I never pass up an opportunity to kill a douchebag like this. I gotta confess, I never pass up an opportunity.
So you're on the last person to watch?
Let's keep this moving. Next victim, please. Let's keep this moving. Next victim, please. Let's keep this moving. Next victim, please. So, starting to get really chunked up. Let's add some Christmas spirit. Time to spread some Christmas cheer. And that brings us to the final death. The death of me. Friends to the end. Friends to the end.